Welcome to this video on how to make a hippo bead. To make this bead, you will need some very basic tools and supplies: a pair of tweezers, a poking tool, a knife or shaping tool, a dipped mandrel, and some glass. For this video, we are using a 332 mandrel and 104 soft glass, which will be periwinkle blue. We will also be using two stringers, which will be black and white. For this video, green glass was used to provide a clearer demonstration, so hopefully you can see what is being done, but be creative as you want to be. Make your hippo bead any color you want. We start with making a basic round bead for the hippo's body. Add a large dot of glass to create the hippo's head. With the knife or shaping tool, press this dot down. As you can see, the hippo's eyes stick up and out a little from the top of the head. To create this, add two dots of glass at the top of the head. These dots can touch each other, but you want to press them down so they create two bumps at the top. Try to smush these dots down and up. We will finish the eyes a little later in the video. Now to create the nose. Place two large dots in the middle of the head. They should touch each other. Press them down so they are securely fused to the head, but don't press them down too much. You want the hippo's nose to be big and full. To make the lower lip, add a small dot on the bottom of the head. Add some heat to melt it in a little. This will help anchor the dot of glass you are going to add to create the lower lip. Try not to touch the nose. Use your knife or shaping tool to push the lower lip up towards the nose. You want it to touch, but still have some definition. Remember to reheat the whole bead to prevent it from cracking. The ears for the hippo are attached to the body, just behind the head. I like to place small dots where the ears are going to be placed to make sure they are even. Once you are happy with the ear placement, gently press the small dots down to create a nice base for more glass. Make your hippo's ears as big or as small as you want. We will finish the ears a little later in the video. To add the legs of the hippo, start by placing 4 small dots on the bottom of the bead. Use your knife to push these dots down to create a good base for more glass. This is a good time to move the glass a little if you don't like the placement of the legs. Add more dots for the legs. Use your knife or shaping tool to even out the legs. Now the tail. I am sure there are several ways that a tail can be added. This tail was created by placing a dot and then pulling slightly like I was pulling a stringer. Then when the glass is still warm, it is touched to the bead and then flame cut. Use the knife to shape the tail and to make sure it is really stuck to the bead. It would be really sad if the hippo's tail cracked off later because it wasn't melted in enough. Time to go back to the eyes and ears of the hippo. With the white stringer, place small dots in the center of the eye section and on the front of both ears. Use the knife to press the dots for the eyes down. Then use the tweezers to press the dots down on the ears. Slightly flatten the ears, but try not to make them too thin. To add a little texture, use your knife to place a little line in the middle of the ears. I think hippo ears are really cute. To add a little more character to the ears, flatten the ends a little and push them slightly forward. To finish the nose, add the nostrils, which is done by adding 2 small dots of glass to the top of each side of the nose. Use your knife to move the dots slightly if they are not quite even. Gently press these dots down. It was at this point in the video that I realized that the eyes of the hippos are not done. With the black stringer, add 2 small dots of glass to create the pupils. Gently press these dots down. To finish the nostrils, use your poking tool and poke in the center of each nostril. The last thing to add are the 2 small teeth. With a white stringer, add 2 small dots at the bottom of the nose on each side. It should look like they are on each side of the lower lip. Gently press them with your shaping tool to give them a slightly squared look. Add more glass or use your shaping tool to make them even. And there you have a hippo bead. Thank you for watching. Have fun torching!